Is it time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore the QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 20th of September, 2024. And now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and access free price predictions and in-depth analyses for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 20th of September, 2024, our system has categorized QQQ as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.5. Now let's delve into the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this assessment to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The exchange-traded fund is positioned at the upper part of a broad and declining trend in the short term. This situation typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $483.05 would initially indicate a slower rate of decline and may be the first sign of a potential shift in trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of -3.86% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from -15.26% to -3.74%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected change of 31.29% over the next year, with a potential return between 22.55% and 43.84%. This translates to a price range of $591.23 to $693.93 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ features the headline, QQQ ETF downgraded from buy candidate to sell candidate after Friday trading session. The price of the QQQ ETF decreased by 0.19% on the last day, which was Friday, the 20th of September, 2024, falling from $483.36 to $482.44. During that trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.13%, with a low of $478.30 and a high of $483.69. Notably, the price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days, showing a gain of 7.52% over the past 2 weeks. On the last trading day, the volume also decreased alongside the ETF, which is generally a positive indication, as volume should align with the ETF's performance. Specifically, the trading volume fell by 19 million shares, resulting in a total of 32 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $15.65 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $503.52, while the lowest was $342.35. Currently, the price sits 4.19%, or $21.08, below the 52-week high of $503.52, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments surrounding the Invesco QQQ ETF showcase strong potential for both short-term momentum and long-term growth. Artificial intelligence technology, while still in its early stages, is projected to revolutionize financial services, promoting efficiency and cost savings across industries. This transformation is likely to benefit companies within the QQQ portfolio, which includes major players such as Microsoft and Amazon, leading to increased investor interest. Market anticipation is building ahead of the Federal Reserve's upcoming decisions. Polls suggest that the context is particularly charged this time, indicating potential volatility that could affect QQQ's performance in the near term. Investors are closely watching market internals, which signal an upside breakout, contributing to a bullish sentiment heading into the year's end. Furthermore, analysts are optimistic about a potential year-end rally as the QQQ ETF aligns with favorable market conditions. The unfolding trend, coupled with indications of inflation cooling, is fostering a conducive environment for technology stocks to thrive. Longer-term outlooks suggest that as hedge fund managers shift their focus away from expensive stocks like Nvidia towards diversified indices like QQQ, there is a strong chance the ETF could emerge as a key beneficiary of the artificial intelligence boom, essentially positioning it as a creator of significant wealth. Overall, the interplay of these factors indicates that QQQ is well equipped to navigate both current volatility and capitalize on future growth opportunities. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQQ ETF currently shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at the levels of $476.08 and $465.68. A drop below either of these levels could trigger sell signals. Negative signals have also emerged that may impact near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 19th of September, 2024, and so far, the price has decreased by 0.19%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggested a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger provided a buy signal 34 days ago. The short-term moving average issued a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 6 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average issued a buy signal 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 209 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $448.75 and $439.53. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, because if this level is breached, the fund may then decline to the next support level. In this scenario, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $448.75. If this level fails, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $439.53 and $435.37. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low for this stock. Over the past day, the exchange-traded fund moved $5.39 between its highest and lowest points, which is 1.13%. For the past week, the average daily volatility of the exchange-traded fund has been 1.25%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's briefly examine some key fundamental data. First, we need to discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may suggest that there are modest expectations for the company's future, or that the stock is trading below its true value, indicating a possible buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $483.36. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $448.75. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund and have not established a stop loss. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment? Currently, QQQ shows several negative indicators, leading us to believe its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a negative view of this ETF. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a buy to a sell recommendation. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 23rd of September, we anticipate that QQQ will open lower by 96 cents, starting at $481.48. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.